Hi, I'm Donna Emery from Glover Nursery in West Jordan, Utah. Today I'm repotting a hydrangea plant. Hydrangeas can be grown indoors or outdoors. This one is more suited to outdoor use, but you could use the florist type hydrangea as a house plant. I've chosen a container that's slightly larger than the one the plant is in now. I have partially filled it with a good organic potting mix. I'm going to add a handful of organic starting fertilizer, and I'm creating a hollow in the middle of this pot. Now the tricky part comes in getting this plant out of the pot. I'm going to support the crown of the plant with my hand and just gently pull the pot off. Here's my exposed plant. I'm settling it down in the pot so that it's about ½ an inch below the top of the pot. No more than an inch below, or it's not going to show very well. But you need to leave some surface room to allow the water to accumulate. If you've got it planted right up to the very edge, you can't water it very well. So I need to fill in with some more soil. It's important that we not plant the plant any deeper than it was growing in the pot previously. It's actually okay if it's a tiny bit shallower. I continue packing in that dirt, tamping it down lightly. I'm going to take a small handful of organic starter fertilizer and put a second helping further up in this soil ball, and continue adding some soil. Now, whether I was planting this for indoor or outdoor use, if I want to leave it in the pot very long, I would add some trailers here. I have some ivy plants. These will grow inside or out, just like the hydrangeas do. And I would put in a few of these needlepoint ivies around the base of the plant. That gives it just a little bit more interest. The ivy will trail down, cover part of the pot, and make it look more arranged for indoors or outdoor patio use. Whether you're planting indoors or out, you can use a saucer to collect excess water after you water. I've added some little trailers here just for a bit more interest. Water thoroughly. Come back a few minutes later and water the plant again and let it drain completely. I'm Donna Emery from Glover Nursery.